Hi you guys, this is going to be a collective reading. I'm going to be picking up on the energy only of the viewers of this video. So it doesn't matter what sign you are if you're watching this video with me. I'll be picking up on your energy. Today is Saturday. It's October 7th, 2023. Let's look at your tarot cards and see what messages come through. Spirits, what do the viewers of this reading need to know? Alright, let's see what's going on. Okay, the very first card you have is the Page of Water. This is usually a messenger. Let's see what shows up after this. I'm feeling like you're going to receive a message from someone. And this message is going to be what this reading is about. It's going to be very significant. That's your very first card. You have the Six of Water next. And then you have the Empress, Taurus energy. This is someone that you have history with, okay, that you'll be receiving a message from. This is someone that you've spent some time with, and I feel like they're not in your energy right now. They're not around you right now. And that's what brings out the significance of this Page of Water type energy, the significance of this message. The next card you have is the Two of Earth. And then you have a Tower in the center of your reading. You're not expecting this message from whoever this is. You're not expecting it. It's going to bring in a Tower. It's going to take you by surprise. For someone watching me right now, this message is coming in from a child, but that's not for everyone here. Tell me what the viewers of this reading need to know. And then you have the Messenger of Water. And then you have the Four of Earth. So you're going to take some type of action, or this person is. We're going to go back and clarify the cards. And then you have the Seven of Fire. The Emperor. Feeling like the two of you are going to take some type of action together. The Empress and some type of action being taken is in between the Empress and the Emperor here. This is a divine pair. And then you have the Nine of Fire. And you have the Hanged Man, Pisces energy. On the bottom of the deck, you have the two of Fire. Kind of standing at a crossroads in your life, right? Trying to decide which direction is the best direction to go. Let's clarify this now. Why is the Page of Water here? You have the High Priestess, Pisces energy. The Moon, Pisces, Cancer energy. A lot of water here, which means emotions. There's a lot of emotions. And then you have Justice, Libra energy. See, there's a marriage or some type of a commitment that maybe, you know, maybe there was a legal matter with justice here, or a divorce that took place for someone. This is Libra energy. Yeah, but you've definitely got someone here in your energy that is, how is this message being sent though? Because this person's very quiet, very secretive. They keep their feelings to themselves. They don't like to show their emotions. What is hidden here, spirits? Why is the moon here? You might be dealing with a Taurus with the Hierophant showing up, or you might have Taurus in your chart. I'm feeling like someone is saying, I've learned my lesson. Like someone wants to move towards you here. They're very, very much in their emotions. They feel in darkness. And they want a higher level of commitment with you than what used to be. That's what this message is. It's something about them taking action to have a higher level of commitment with you. This person wants to be all in with you. And this is someone that you've been thinking about. It's a past energy. Why is the Six of Cups here? This person feels regret and sadness. It's almost like this is someone who's judging themselves. And they're ready for, they're coming in all ready. This Knight of Pentacles is actually in motion here. It's actually moving. They're ready now. It's like they're facing their judgment, okay? They're facing judgment. They're ready to face judgment. They're ready to return to a higher level of commitment with you. But this has been a long time coming with the Knight of Pentacles showing up. This person's feeling a ton of sadness and regret with the Five of Cups. Why is the Empress here? Why is the Empress here? You have the Chariot, Cancer energy. The Page of Pentacles. Yeah, this person wants to give you a ring or something. They want to offer you marriage. This person is all in. I'm feeling like they're just getting a few more things together here because they feel like they're going to be stepping out of their comfort zone and approaching you. It's going to be uncomfortable. And then you have the Two of Pentacles. You have a Tower. Something that you're least expecting is going to happen. The Messenger of Water. Let's see what this Two of Earth is about, because it kind of makes you go back and forth in your mind. Like, I don't know about this. Tell me why the Two of Earth is here. Yeah, you're going back and forth in your mind because there's been a huge betrayal here with the Ten of Swords. There's a very painful ending. This Emperor could have left you holding the bag, and you're very, very tired here. Like you may have had to juggle because of this person. I'm seeing someone who feels very, very hurt and full of regret. And I don't know what they have to say. I'm not on their side at all. But I'm seeing somebody here that may be feeling... They're feeling like they are... left out. They could even feel a bit ill right now from it, but it's like they're still wanting to be in control. This is Aries energy, the Emperor. Why is the Tower here? It's going to shock you because this person could have ignored messages from you. They could have been ignoring you, and all of a sudden here they want to talk. They want to take control of this situation. The Ace of Wands and the King of Swords. This is someone who's made up their mind. They might be Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini. They want to spark up the passion again, though. There very well could be some type of a legal matter, divorce or something that happened here. But I'm seeing a decision being made by this person. Tell me why they literally feel like they missed an opportunity with you. Tell me why the Messenger of Water is here. You have the Hanged Man, the Three of Pentacles, and the Eight of Wands. This person really doesn't know what to say to you. I feel like they feel like words just aren't enough, you know. I'm seeing them trying to work on their words and what they're going to say to you. It's like they're really looking at the bigger picture here with the Hanged Man energy. This person feels stuck. The Four of Earth is next. Why is the Four of Earth here? You have the Five of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Yeah, you've got someone, we all have masculine and feminine energies in us. And this person is showing me a very strong masculine energy. Someone who wants to take control. This person wants to fight for you. They want to work on this connection with you. And it's... It's like you're, I don't know if you're holding back or holding on to this too tightly, because this person is a very determined energy that they want to fight for this. They want to win. You could have two different people, like competition here. You could have someone else in your life. I'm looking into the future energy here. I'm seeing another king show up, like there could be two people, like some type of an argument or conflict. It doesn't even involve you. Tell me why the Eight of Pentacles is here. Let's see. This person, they might be at a distance from you. They may have to make a couple people happy to have you. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, or you could be an Aquarius. I'm seeing the Two of Cups here, And I'm seeing like this healing energy of the star and this person waiting. It may be difficult to get a message to you. They may be at a distance from you. Why is the 7 of Fire here? Wow. The 8 of Cups, the Queen of Swords. Someone watching me right now is yelling at me. They're saying no. There's too much worry here. There's too much heartbreak. There's too much pain. I'm not waiting for this person to show up any longer. I don't even want to hear what they have to say. I don't want to hear this apology. I don't want to be standing here at a crossroads any longer. I'm walking away. But this person's coming back around again, wanting to apologize to you, because this is someone that cannot move forward. Why is the Emperor here? Nine of Cups. This is a wish fulfillment to this person. They may be drinking a lot. The Sun, Leo energy. There could be a child or 3 children. The Queen of Wands. Whoever this person is, there's been an ending. You may be dealing with a Scorpio. The Death card is on the bottom of the deck. And there is someone here that wants to come in with sunflowers, with happiness. They want to make something right that was wrong. They do not want to give up on this connection. They are full of regret, looking at the bigger picture. Let me lift up these cards and let's clarify the overall message coming through. So we don't have all of this energy out here on the table. Let's look at this, because, you know, the Wounded Warrior is here, the 9 of Wands. This is the Wounded Warrior. This is someone that doesn't want to give up yet. They want to fight for this connection. And they're stuck in Hanged Man energy. Like they've taken time out to look at the bigger picture of this ending and what it really means. It's like the truth has settled into their mind and the pain is real. Tell me why the 9 of Fire is here. See, this is your ex. Why is the 9 of Fire here? They keep thinking about you. They're feeling brokenhearted. The 3 of Swords is here. Why is this 3 of Swords here? I'm seeing someone here that just feels emptiness, sadness inside of themselves. It's like they're in this energy here of waiting. And in this energy of waiting, I'm seeing them manifesting. With the Magician, manifesting getting a message to you. Feeling stuck. Why is the Hanged Man here? This person watches you. Look at, there's a spy next to the Six of Wands. And you are an Empress here. Taurus energy. Doesn't matter what gender you are. There's a lot of growth around you. Alright? You wear a crown. And you're someone who is very recognized. I don't know if you have a public platform or if this is like something on Facebook or something. This person looks at your pictures. This person admires you. They look up to you. They respect you. You hold some type of position of power. And look at this person watching you. This is a spy. This is you. And they're literally looking at the bigger picture of losing you and standing in judgment. This is something coming back from the past. Someone coming back from the past. I'm seeing definitely a marriage here for someone. Okay. All right, you guys. So these are the messages that came through for you in your tarot cards today. I hope they help you to see the bigger picture of what's happening in your energy. I love you guys. If you're interested in getting manifestation candles, they will be in the description box below. And there's also Halloween candles. If you're interested in that, we're getting close to Halloween now. But I love you guys. Thank you for being here with me. And I will see you later. Namaste.